In this video, we will learn about creating user-defined types in C++ code. First, we will learn about structures, aka structs. Then we will learn about classes. After that, we will learn about enumerations, aka enums. Then we will learn about the difference between declaring and defining variables. Next, we will learn about separate compilation. After that, we will learn about namespaces. Then we will recap the key takeaways from this section of the course. Next will come the quiz for this section of the course, and then a video going over the answer and explanation to each of the quiz questions. By the end of this section, you will have an understanding of the various user-defined types that C++ gives us access to.